Hello friends, welcome to another episode of SSS Magic. Today we'll be making a fighter plane that looks like this. Isn't that wonderful? Let's get started. This particular model is made up of 5 individual pieces. I'm going to dismantle them and show it to you. They're made of 5 individual pieces. Let's look at the process of making them one by one. We need a square paper. You can make them with color paper as well. Today we will be using white plain A4 sheet paper. I've cut them into smaller squares. Let's first fold them in the center to make a rectangular fold, then do it on the opposite side. Make sure you get the creases nicely aligned. Once you have them like this, take any edge and roll them to the center point. Likewise, do it on all 4 sides. Once you complete all 4 sides, it will look something like this. Now, take any one particular edge and create a triangular shape. It will look something like a kite. Do it on the other side as well. Something like this. And then turn them on the opposite side, something like this. And this will be one completed unit. Let's do one more time. Take a square piece of paper. Fold them first on one side to create a rectangular shape. Do the same exactly on the opposite side, like this. Once you have done this, take the edges and try to create in the center a mini square by folding on all 4 sides. It shall look something like this. Now take one of the edges and create a kite-like shape. Turn it on the opposite side. Fold it like this. Turn it around. This is how the model will look like. Now let's assemble them. Take one piece. Take another unit and insert them into this slot here, like this. Now take another piece and insert them into the slot here and here. So this is how the 3-sided figure will look like. Now take the remaining 2 pieces, insert them here as shown, and then all is left is to join them to create your model of the plane. Isn't that interesting and fun? Simple fighter plane that you can have fun making by yourself and also playing with your friends. Please let us know if you follow the instructions, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.